Hello friends, welcome back to the new video guys and my YouTube channel guys. Today when we are going to talk about guys Oppo phone guys display and brightness setting guys. Today video title is guys how can we on guys auto brightness in our Oppo phone device. Friends, you want to on guys your phone auto brightness in your Oppo phone device. So how can you on and how can you use it today friends? I will show you. I will tell you in this video. So friends, now let's see how can we on auto brightness in our Oppo phone device. And first of all, open your phone setting guys. After on phone setting, I scroll it and friends click on guys phone display and brightness. Tap here guys. Friends, you can see auto brightness guys. We will on from this right side. After on guys, you can see guys brightness decrease automatic because guys I am inside the room. When I will go outside, when I will come inside, brightness will increase and decrease automatic in my Oppo phone device. So like that guys, you can use guys your phone auto brightness setting guys and you can on it. So I hope friends you have understood how to on phone auto brightness setting and how can we use it. Friends, do you have any doubt guys related to guys your display and brightness setting guys? You can ask me in comment section. I will check. I will help you. Bye bye friends. Thanks for watching the video.